Hi friends, welcome to srisai online training. So today in this video of core Java programming, we are going to discuss the following topics. So the topics what we are going to discuss today in core Java programming language will be introduction and history of Java language. It will be a small revision. Then we'll understand why we go for Java programming language when compared to other programming languages which are available in the computer, and what are the different Java programming products. So these are the different things, different topics what we are going to discuss in this video. So let us start with introduction and history of Java. So now coming to Java, the definition of Java goes like this. So Java is a computer programming language using which we develop computer programs. Okay, so computer programs or applications or software. So Java is a computer programming language using which we develop computer programs or applications or software. Now coming to the history of Java. Okay, right? So Java was invented by, okay, so who invented Java? So Java was invented by James Gosling. Okay, it was invented by James Gosling in 1991. So where it was invented? Okay, so it was invented at Sun Microsystems, and this company is in USA. So it was invented at Sun Microsystems, USA. So James Gosling and his team, they have invented Java in the year 1991. Okay, right. So small note point here. So initially Java was known as Oak language. Oak language. Okay, so it was initial name given to the Java programming language. And what is the main purpose of Oak programming language? So using Oak programming language, okay, we can develop embedded system programs. Embedded system programs. Okay, right. And next, later the name is changed to Java. Okay, so we got Java programming language, and this name was given in the year 1995. So we got the name Java programming language in the year 1995. Okay, so 1995 name was changed. Okay, right. So what is the main purpose of Java programming language? So using Java programming language, it is developing computer system programs or computer programs or applications or software. Okay, so this is a small introduction and history of Java programming language. Right, now we'll try to understand why Java programming language when compared to other programming languages which are available in computers. So in computers, we have many programming languages using which we can develop computer applications. For example, we have C language, C++, Java, .NET, Python, Ruby, Perl, COBOL, we have Pascal. Okay, right. So we also have something like so on assembly language, and machine language. So the programming in computers started with machine language. So machine language means binary language which computer understands till today, zeros and ones. So zero means on, and one, sorry, zero means off and one means on. Okay, so for all these languages we prefer Java programming language for three reasons. Okay, so what are those three basic reasons? First one, simple programming language. Second one, platform independent programming language. And third one, open source programming language. So first one is simple programming language. Second one is platform independent programming language. And third one is open source programming language. Right. Now we'll understand why Java is a simple programming language. Okay. So before Java, there were two popular programming languages in computers. First one, C language and C++. So C language was invented in the year 1972 and C++ was invented in the year 1983. So these are the two popular languages which were very flexible in writing computer programs. Okay, but in these languages we had many limitations and drawbacks. So all the drawbacks of C++ are eliminated in Java, and Java is made simple and easy to write computer programs. Okay, so all the limitations and drawbacks of C++ are eliminated in Java. Okay, and Java is made easy to learn and simple to write computer programs when compared to the previous programming languages of Java. So Java was invented in the year 1995. Okay, so before Java, what were the previous programming languages? So all those languages, drawbacks and limitations are maximum eliminated in Java, and Java is made easy to learn and simple to write computer programs. So that's why this is one of the basic reasons why we prefer Java when compared to other programming languages. Right. The second reason is Java is platform independent programming language. So first of all, what do you mean by platform here? So platform here means operating system. Operating systems. Okay. So what are the different operating systems which are available in computer? Okay. Right. So example for operating system goes like this. OS. OS means operating system. So we have Windows operating system like Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10. Okay. So Windows 7 or Windows 8 or Windows 10, which is a very popular operating systems available in the computer. So Windows operating system or something like Linux operating system. So in Linux operating system, we have different variants, like we have Red Hat Linux, we have Ubuntu Linux, okay, like we have Red Hat, we have Ubuntu, we have CentOS. Like this, we have different operating systems, variants in Linux operating system. So these are Windows operating systems, Linux operating systems. So similarly, we also have very popular mobile operating system, Android. Okay, we also have Mac operating system. Okay, so platform means operating system. Example, Windows, Linux, Android, Mac. Okay, so now coming to platform independent. So platform independent means it goes like this: write the program once and run the program anywhere. So anywhere means any operating system. So simply we can also call it as like this: write once and run anywhere. Okay, write once, run any OS. So before Java, the popular languages are C, C++. So C, C++ are platform dependent programming languages, which means, okay, C, C++ programs, they will write and run on the same operating system in which they are developed. So Windows C program will not run in Linux operating system, and Linux operating system C, C++ programs will not run on any other operating system. So they are platform dependent languages. But for the first time, okay, in Java, they have introduced this platform independent programming using Java Virtual Machine. So we'll try to understand about JVM in the coming sessions. Okay, so Java programs are simply write once and run on any OS. So simply Java programs are write once and run on any OS. So no changes in the program or no changes in operating system settings. So no changes in the program and no changes in the operating system settings. Write once, run on any OS. So this has become developer friendly. So developer friendly programming. So due to this, Java became highly successful in the market. Platform independent programming language, which was not there in previous programming languages which were introduced before Java. Right. So next one, open source programming language. So what do you mean by open source? So it means free of cost. Okay, so free of cost. So Java software is free of cost for development. It is free of cost for development and especially for, okay, so it is for education and training. Okay, so it is free of cost for developing new programs in computer for education and training. But if you are using Java software in IT companies for commercial purpose, then you have to pay a minimum license fee to the company of Java programming language. Okay, so these are the three reasons why we prefer Java when compared to other programming languages: simple, platform independent, and open source programming language. Right, now we'll try to understand what are the different types of programs or applications which we can develop using Java programming language. So basically, in computers using Java, we can develop two types of applications. First one, standalone applications, and second one, network based applications. So what are the standalone applications or network based applications? So let us try to understand that. So first one, standalone applications are those applications, okay, which are designed and developed for single computer and single user working. Okay, so single computer and single user working purpose. Example, calculator. So to use a calculator, we require only one person. Similarly, notepads, MP3 players, video players, games, etc. Okay, right. So one important note point here, it goes like this. So nowadays, these applications are generally called generally called desktop applications. So desktop applications means install and use applications. Okay, we have to install them and we have to use it. Okay, single user, single system applications. Okay, here we don't require any internet connection. So generally they are called. In desktop applications, we also have networking applications also, but these are generally called desktop application, install and single use applications. To be more specific, install and single use applications. The second type of applications are network based applications. So network based applications are those applications which are developed for multiple computer systems and multiple users working. Okay, so multiple computer systems and multiple users working with LAN connection or WAN connection or MAN connection, and to be more specific, it is internet sharing applications. So the best examples for this is email application. So in email, we have sender and receiver, multiple users, multiple systems. Chatting applications, next file sharing applications, printer sharing applications in a company. So in a company, there will be only one printer and they will be shared using LAN, local area network. Okay, and internet sharing applications. Okay, so these are called as network based applications. Okay, so nowadays, okay, so nowadays these applications are generally called as web applications. Okay, so web applications means websites. Okay, so generally when we use any website in a browser, we compulsory require a internet. Okay, so these are called as network based applications or web applications or distributed applications. So distributed means multiple people will be using same application for communication with messages, for communications with mails, for communications with some data. So those are called as distributed application. So using Java in computers, we can develop two main different types of application: standalone applications and network based applications. So now one important note point related to Java programming language. So Java programming language was developed by James Gosling in Sun Microsystems USA. Now this Sun Microsystems USA is owned by Oracle Corporation. Okay, now this Oracle Corporation, it is another company from USA. So why Sun Microsystems Java programming language is owned by is acquired by Oracle Corporation. The reason is from 2005, Sun Microsystems was running into debts. So debts means losses. Hence, in 2010, Oracle Corporation had undertaken all the products of Sun Microsystems, including Java programming language. Okay, so if you want to download Java software today, we have to go to Oracle websites. So now we'll try to understand what are the different programming products which are available from Java Sun Microsystems. So first one, Java SE. So SE stands for Standard Edition. Standard Edition. Now using Java SE, what we can develop? So we can develop computer applications. We can develop computer applications or computer software. Next, second one, Java Embedded. So Oak language is named as Java Embedded under Java programming products. Okay, so for this we can develop embedded system devices software, like software for refrigerator, microwave oven, okay, remotes, washing machines, digital clocks, etc. Single purpose electronic devices are embedded systems devices. Java cards. Okay, so using Java card programming, we can develop program for smart cards, something like ID cards, something like debit cards or credit cards, etc. Okay, so smart cards, like you will have loyalty cards, you will have club membership cards, you will have hotel door opening or your room opening smart cards. Okay, so these type of applications can be developed using Java cards. Okay, next, Java EE. So EE stands for Enterprise Edition. Okay, so using Enterprise, okay, edition, we can develop enterprise applications. So we can develop enterprise application. Best example is banking applications. Okay, so we can use banking applications from anywhere throughout the world. So these applications are called as enterprise applications, or something like Flipkart, Amazon shopping applications. So those applications can use banking services also. Okay, next, JRE, Java Runtime Environment. So what is the use of Java Runtime Environment? So using Java Runtime Environment, we can run Java apps. Okay, so Java apps on any OS. Okay, so Java applications can run on any OS using JRE. So we'll try to understand more about JRE when we install Java software also. Next one, Java FX. Okay, so using Java FX, we can develop multimedia applications. So multimedia applications with small graphics and animations. So graphics and animations. Next one, Java ME. ME stands for Micro Edition. Okay, so Micro Edition means very small electronic devices, like sensor based applications. Okay, so something like weight sensor, light sensor, okay, object sensor. So sensor based applications can be developed using very small electronic devices, okay, like micro SD card applications, which is recognized in mobiles, computers, cameras, etc. Okay, so sensor based applications or micro, okay, very small devices. Best example is micro SD card. Okay, next one, Java for mobiles. Okay, so on mobiles we can develop games, mobile games, cell phone games, or mobile apps. Next, Java for TV. Okay, so we can also develop TV games and TV apps, applications on TV. So Java database. Okay, so this is a DB, database for small devices. Okay, so Java database, it is a database for small devices. For example, let us say that you have a small feature phone or a cell phone. In that cell phone we have to store our data internally using for phone books, messages, etc. Now for those small electronic devices we can use a very lightweight database, which is Java DB. So these are the different types of programming products which are available from Java: standard edition, embedded, cards, enterprise edition, runtime environment, FX, graphics and animations, micro edition, mobiles, TV, database. And that is the reason why Java programming is very popular when compared to other programming languages. Okay, and here if we learn Java SE, standard edition, which means core Java, okay, then we can do programming for all the different products of Java. Okay, hence Java is preferable when compared to other programming languages. So if you learn Java SE, then we can do programming for all the remaining programming products like embedded, cards, enterprise edition, TV, database, etc. So it is the base product or the beginner's product for all the different products of Java programming. And finally, we can develop Java programs for any type of electronic devices which are available in the market today. So any type of hardware electronic device, you can use Java software on that particular device for development. Okay, and hence Java programming is highly preferable computer programming language in IT industries for developing any type of electronic devices or computer applications. Right, so that is what is all about today's session, guys. So in this session we have discussed today introduction and history of Java, a small revision, why Java programming language, what are the different programming products of Java for developing electronic devices software. Right, so thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.